everyone, my name is Max Kavanaugh. Today we're here at MarineMax Rogers. We're taking a look at this beautiful 2021 Sea Ray SDX 270. We just took this in on trade. It's a beautiful boat. It's got very low hours on it. And we'll start off on the exterior, and looking up at the front, it does have a beautiful stainless steel windlass anchor, making it really easy just to use the anchor with a couple switches. On the exterior, you'll notice it has stainless steel cleats around the entire exterior. You do have a nice white with the Sea Ray blue accent. It looks really sharp. The Sea Ray logo right here, another midship cleat up top. And it does have this beautiful white sports tower with an integrated bimini top that gives you lots of shade when it's nice and sunny out. So a lot of nice features that Sea Ray has on this 270. As we work our way back, again, another stainless steel cleat here. And looking back at the transom area, you'll notice a nice big platform with SDX on top, which is great. You're not going to be slipping because you have this SDX up here. You have a couple grab handles here as well. And you do have a submersible swim platform that's manual. So when this drive is actually down, you can take this and fold it into the water, use it to sit on, use it to get up into the boat if you'd like. This 270 is also optioned out with trim tabs. And it does have the Bravo 3 drive right here. It's a 300 horsepower Merc Cruiser engine that's powering this 270, which is plenty of power to do wakeboarding, skiing, tubing if you would like, and also just cruising around the lake. Lots of power. You're gonna feel like it really moves across the water. That's the exterior of this 270. Let's go check out the interior. Hey guys, welcome to the interior of this Sea Ray 270 SDX. Beautiful boat. You're gonna have the stone interior, which is that nice gray, looks really sharp. This is an 8'6" beam boat, so it's pretty wide, and you have a lot of space in this 270, especially up in the bow. It's very wide. You can fit a lot of people up there. You have a couple speakers up there as well, so just enhancing that audio experience up in the front. And then as we work our way into the cockpit area and towards the helm, I'll point out a couple features here. So at the helm, a lot of nice things. You have a nice SIMRAD digital display giving you information on your charts, your engine, just to make it easy for the driver. You have a nice 3-spoke design steering wheel here. You will have some physical switches on the left and the right. Your throttle's off to your right in a very comfortable position. And this seat here also actually can move. So when you're maybe anchored, you're just lounging, the driver now can sit in this spot right here and talk to everybody in the cockpit, which is nice. So very versatile seat, and that also is the same thing on the co-captain's chair seat as well. It can be reversed, and they can be looking towards the back, which is nice. Now, this 270 does have a vacuum flush head, which is nice. That's located right in here. Got a sink down there, the vacuum flush head with the holding tank. Very nice feature to have, and especially in the 270 here in Minnesota. Can easily get it pumped out at a marina because there's a holding tank. Little glove box here, not huge by any means, but you can store your phone, your keys, your wallet in there if you'd like. As we move back here, I'll watch my step. SDX's a little wet at the moment, but you have a ski locker in the floor, plenty of room to store skis if you wanted to, some dock lines or fenders. You have cup holders down below with some grab handles here. And you'll have storage actually underneath a lot of these seats. And these seats are actually supported with hinges, which is nice. You're not picking the seat up and moving it somewhere. It's got a lot of nice features and creature comforts like that in this Sea Ray. Now this seat here, again, more storage. You do have a removable cooler right here that you can take out, bring to your car, bring to the dock, load it up, and then bring it to your boat, which is, again, a nice thing. Now, this Sea Ray has some beautiful stitch work. You'll see the embroidered logo right here, all these fine stitching shapes right here. As we move back further towards the back of the boat, we'll point out this nice walkway here, starboard side walkway, SDX lined all the way in, the SDX flooring too, okay? You'll have storage underneath this compartment right here. You also have a nice little step for boarding and exiting the boat as well, okay? Makes it easier if you have a dock that's really high up. You will have a transom trim switch right here to control your drive in the back. You do have a freshwater washdown station that pulls out here as well. So if you have kids that walk into the boat or adults that have sandy feet, you can easily rinse them off with this. Your gas fill is located right here. And then in the back, you have this great space to lounge out, to relax, and really just enjoy your day on the water. This 270 is optioned out really well. It's got a lot of great features that you and your family will love. It's located here at our MarineMax Rogers location. We encourage you to come stop by or give us a call on this beautiful 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call and please stop by. Thank you and have a great day.